everybody, my name is Brice Wilson, and welcome to my course, Creating and Using Generics in TypeScript. I'm a server and client-side web developer. TypeScript is an increasingly popular programming language choice for browser and node developers. It helps you write type-safe code with fewer errors. Generics are a feature of TypeScript which allows you to take advantage of that type safety while creating code you can reuse throughout your apps. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include using built-in generic types, creating your own generic functions, and creating and using generic interfaces and classes. By the end of the course, you'll have a solid understanding of what generics are, when to consider using them, and how to implement them in your code. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with the basics of TypeScript, but you certainly don't need to be an expert. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn TypeScript generics with the Creating and Using Generics in TypeScript course at Pluralsight.